install a split invert air conditioner. Step by step. Installing an inverter split air conditioner requires attention to detail to ensure efficient and safe operation. Here are the essential steps. Choosing the suitable location. Before starting, select a suitable location for the indoor unit. Consider ventilation, distance from walls, and absence of obstructions. Infrastructure check. Check the electrical capacity of your home. Make sure the electrical network supports the new device. Additionally, evaluate the hydraulic infrastructure for condensate drainage. External unit assembly. Fix the condensing unit support to the external wall. Make sure it is level and secure. Attaching the internal unit support. Mount the internal unit support in the chosen location. It must be sturdy and capable of supporting the weight of the unit. Pipe connection. Connect the copper piping between the indoor and outdoor units. This includes the liquid line, thinner, and the suction line, thicker. Electrical connection and condensate drainage. Carry out the electrical connection according to the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure to follow safety rules. Install the condensate drain hose, always below the indoor unit. Operational tests and preventive maintenance. Turn on the air conditioning and check if it is working properly. Carry out regular maintenance, such as cleaning filters and inspecting pipes. Remember that air conditioning installation must be carried out by a qualified professional. If you are not comfortable, consider hiring a specialized service to ensure a safe and efficient installation. Join our community of refrigeration lovers and embark on a journey of knowledge and innovation. Sign up now and leave your like to help us continue sharing incredible content about the fascinating world of refrigeration.